Your rug is a valuable piece of art in your room and therefore needs to be treated as one. Often, your precious rug can contain stains and dirt which you cannot get out by yourself. We are ready to help. We ensure to extend the life of your rug and give it the protection it deserves. Our technicians use cutting-edge technologies in order to deep clean and revive the colors of your rug. We can also reweave lost ends, restore lost corners, fix holes with matching wool, and restore lost designs. We also do bindings, fix fringes, and reweave bald spots. Accidents happen. Don't worry if your pet chews a part of your Persian, Oriental, or area rug. Our specialized carpet repair personnel can restore it as if it never happened.